Going to school, playing at home, and playing with my friends are some of the best things I get to do. Sometimes we play games that don't have any toys, like playing tag or hide and seek. Sometimes we play games that do have toys, like playing ball or board game or cars or blocks. When we play games with toys, it's important to clean up when we're done. That way our living and play areas stay picked up and we don't look like we live in a zoo. Also, if we don't pick up, then toys get lost or broken, and that just makes us all bummed out. I'm learning to always clean up after play. Here are my 5 steps to cleaning up. 1. First, I look around in my area and make a mini plan. I start with the big items first. I put all the big items back where they belong. 2. Second, I look around again and pick up all the small items. I keep looking so I don't miss any. 3. Third, while I'm picking up, I can think about the cool things I get to do next. This makes my time go by quicker. Clean up, clean up. Next I get to go to recess. 4. Fourth, when I think I'm done, I step back and look at my area again. Did I get it all? Do I need to do more? 5. Fifth and last, when I know I'm done, I give myself a high five and go off to do the next awesome thing. When I get done playing and I get done cleaning up, I feel so proud of myself. I know that my grown-up will see my hard work and have good thoughts about me. Yay! Your turn. Help Jack pick up the big items and put them in the toy box. Yay! Help Jacinda pick up the small items and put them in the toy box. Yay! Help Jace think of something fun to do while he cleans up. Yay! Help Jaden look all around and pick up anything she missed. Yay! Help Jafar give himself a high five for a job well done. Yay! Thanks for playing!